Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Star Queen. I am doing this screen record in the respect of how to make money on this app. Let me break it down. This app, app where they make money. How to function this one if you want go live. This one my page. To make money for this app, you don't need say you get 1,000 followers. The followers when you follow or when follow you no matter. Then this one are coins, this one are points. This point now my money when I don't make for the app for 2 days now. See if I want withdraw, you go tell me how much when I get $38. I feel send and go Nigeria. I feel and do USDT if you be person when they do all those one. I feel exchange them to coins. Exchange to coins, they advisable because like saying a shortage. But exchange them to coins, now be this one. Then I will come up for here. This one a reward because the app too. Then they give you reward when you fit start without you never even put your money. If you never want invest, say the option when they put for you to they make money small, just give you waiting you can't find like big. Like if you want to earn big, go give you like that. You just they make change. If now waiting they give you the option when they give you they make small something say invest to. Then me I don't already do all my tasks. All the tasks where they go give you now here you foresee. The hour when you go on live, just stay live now 1 hour, if not 2 hours. Party say you go stay people panel, you also do your tasks. I beg I go start again. My husband they call me. You see all this place now. Once you they upgrade, they give you option when your money go take the big. Shebi you see. Then let's leave here. We go live. Not be my own life for that is we'll go person live now. Come here. People not the party. Let's go live. Then we go enter this Oyibo live now. Then how to gift now like this. Maybe you want gift. You go press here. Gambling. This gambling means say your money go they return for you. You they check this coins where your coins. I no get coins. I'm short of coins. If I buy coins now, the coins go there here. You can buy coins on Google. You can buy from Africa, like me, Nigeria. So if you buy for Google, it be like say it costs some more than say you send the money go now they will recharge them. Lowest coins if you buy 150. If you buy 3,000, least day once you check the one you feel buy. After you get coins, you go the gamble for all this one. If you get luck, if you use and win 100,000 coins, if you use and win 200,000, if you use and win million coins, and once you don't get that coins, now for you to come use and do exchange here. This exchange here, now person go send for you, you go send for person. So it go come turn to where my money, where for sure now my money that time. So these coins now once you use and do exchange, it go come be points, and at points now you go withdraw as your money. I hope I made myself clear. Like if you want to make money, learn how to gift. The way you they gift, the way you they get them back. But you go to check your points. If you see say your coins they reduce, you stop. If your coins they increase, you go to gamble. Then you go to make sure say you they do exchange. With exchange, you go to upgrade. And upgrade you need them for the app. Because if you not upgrade, you go to one place there. How to upgrade? Not like this. Once you want upgrade as level 1, it not take like 1,500 to 3,000 to enter level 2 to level 3. The more you they go, the more your upgrade level they high. So if you want upgrade, if I press this place now, it go bring how much 1 point something million coins. Now I need to enter level 18. I did level 17 now. I believe say if you fed a different app, you go don't understand this thing. But why this one good say any upgrade where you upgrade, that money they go back to your point. If they go back to your points, you understand? Then once you don't upgrade finish, they will come they give you higher task. If you stay 2 hours, they collect 2,000. They'll come they upgrade them. You feel come they collect 9,000. You feel come they collect 5,000. You feel come they collect 12,000. You feel like the more you they upgrade, the more that they upgrade your point, and your points they increase your money. That person when want really make money for app, you go just learn now gradually, one step at a time. You go understand. So That is for it. And other thing, people they say, I want play game, I want play game. If you want play game, now here you go. You see me, because I don't upgrade. Not be say I don't reach where you supposed to, and I still they go. But I don't upgrade to for all this one to be eligible for me. If you never reach level 3, you know if you get game. Like if you want play game now, all this one, if you play this one, or they call this one Ocean Hunt. Ocean Hunt, they easy to play. Well. If you want play another one, there are so many variety of game here when you feel play, when you could take make money.